Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the headset discoverable. Press the pairing button until the LED or voice prompt confirms pairing mode. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings, Windows, Settings Devices, Mac OS, System Settings Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on and the device can be discovered. Once done, keep the headset close, within 3 to 10 feet, because signal strength affects discovery. Make sure no other nearby device is actively paired to the headset, since that can block new connections. Now you scan for nearby devices in the Bluetooth pane. Your headset should appear by model name. Select it and choose Pair or Connect. If prompted for a PIN, try common codes like 0000 or 1234 and confirm on both devices. The laptop is creating a secure link. This can take a few seconds. Make sure audio output switches to the headset in sound settings, because pairing does not always auto-select it for playback. Once paired, to finish, set the headset as the default playback and microphone device in your laptop's sound settings, so apps use it automatically. If audio or mic doesn't work, make sure battery is sufficient, then toggle Bluetooth off and on. Remove the headset from paired devices and repair after a quick reboot. This clears stale connections. If problems persist, update the laptop's Bluetooth drivers or the headset firmware, and test pairing with a phone to determine whether the issue is the headset or the laptop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.